We are Riko and Yoshi, and this is our home.
Riko is from Tokyo, Japan.
And Yoshi was born in Japan and lived most of his life in Mexico City.
The kitchen is so important and needs to be the heart of our new home. As Japanese and Mexicans, we have the kitchen and the cuisine engraved in our DNA. It's a beautiful place, it just needs to be updated. The neighbors probably hate me because of this. That's when we decided to renovate it and make it fit our current needs and future needs too.
So I'm Zami Temuri. I'm the interior designer at DT Design Studio in Vancouver. We're redesigning the layout and just improving the quality of their lives so that it's going to be so much easier to enjoy their place. This would be the kind of cabinet doors that we're doing in there. It's like a bifold door, Aventus bifold door, that is going to give you the whole access to the whole thing, and then you don't have anything that opens into the room. It goes up, so it's like so much easier to use. And then these are the drawer systems that we're going to have in the drawers. So this is the Bloom one. They're adjustable, so you can do whatever you want based on what you have.
I'm Milan Samardzik and I'm project manager at DT Design Studio. We specify Bloom because of the quality of the hardware, the online resources that are available, and the trust we have in their brand.
So the reason we're going with this kind of hardware is that they're like very sturdy, very strong, and then they're going to last almost forever for you.
Oh, that's what we need.
Of course.
When I put the first hit into the wall and to bring that wall down, it was amazing. That's when I start seeing the potential of opening that space. And after that, everything, it kind of fell in place and it went really smooth. We have a beautiful open concept. We have space to work with each other, cooking at the same time and not be bumping into each other.
I can socialize with everybody while I'm cooking.
And no more squeaking or cracking. And also the fact that we change almost all the doors to drawers, it makes life easy. Not more bending, no more reaching down and trying to grab things. You open the drawer with a touch of your food and everything is there. You can see it completely. So I love that part. And it's just a touch and it goes up. Having everything set up in the right place where you can just turn around and grab something so you can continue cooking, it's amazing. It makes things easy, especially when you have many things inside, you can see clearly. It's been a long journey to get to our dream place, but now you see it and it's a dream come true. Like the kitchen, that's where my heart belongs right now.